I know you're going to love this simple everyday makeup look using a little bit of product that is going to elevate your face card. So starting now, I am going to hydrate my lips because they're really dehydrated. I'm using the Sigma Hydro Melt Lip Mask. I will add a discount code down below, you guys. And for my skincare, can never miss this, you guys. I am using my Korean skincare by Regelica, which is their anti-cream and serum. I feel like my skin is perfect for me. I just have like an age spot, sun damage at this moment that I cannot get rid of. So I'm gonna go to a med spa in Arizona and see if they can help with that. When I want my face to look nice and glowy and just healthy, I gravitate to the CC cream by IT Cosmetics, which has SPF 50, and girl, you know we all need SPF. So I love using also their brush. It's a little on the pricier side, but I have been having this brush for like more than 7 years. But yes, it works amazing. So I just cover everything, my redness on my lids, on my inner corners. I have been using their Bye Bye Dark Circles, but I feel like I have a different shade. I should got more of a skin-like salmon type of color. And this brush, girl, it gets in every corner. So I will link you guys down below. And like I told you, I have a discount code with Sigma, so you can use my discount code. But yes, this brush is amazing. I just love the way that it blends so freaking good. For contouring, I have been using the Sia contour stick with my brush, or you can apply directly to your face, but I feel like it looks more airbrush when you apply with the brush and then apply it to your face. As you can see, I'm applying it gently on my face and on my nose to contour that. And girl, since I got this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Cream Blush in color Sweet Innocence, I haven't stopped using it. It's so pretty and it's so glowy. Not like shiny like a highlighter. It just makes you look really healthy. And I make sure to blend that with my foundation brush. I'm going to set my face using this Sigma loose powder. I love to use this, I think it's like an eyeshadow, but I use it as an eyeliner by Laura Mercier, which they have a black and brown one and so many different colors, but I've been gravitating to brown because it's not as harsh on the eyes. I am not adding any shadow, I'm just applying some setting powder on my lids. Going to clean up a bit with my concealer brush to make it nice and sharp, and then blend it in with my fingers. And I can't forget those inner corners to make myself look like an Egyptian queen. And couple coats of this Bad Girl mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. Girl, my lashes need help. Seriously, let me know if you know any good serums. Then I'm just going to line my lips with Nova Beauty lip pencil. And I'm going to top it off with this Nude Sticks lip butter. Girl, this makes my lips feel and look juicy. Going to take this eye pencil for the brows and eyes by Milani on my waterline to make myself look wide awake. Hope you guys enjoy this simple, elegant makeup look that just elevates my face and it just doesn't add too much. You know, it's not too overdone. It's just perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment for more.